that is a final product of my twist. My lock extension, just real quick to show somebody, or to show you guys from the previous 2 videos I made. If you didn't watch them, go back and watch the first one, got cut, and I got number 2, how to twist them easily and how to plant them and look this get this desired twist-like look. I'm gonna make another video step by step on what kind of hair to get for you to get the wavy kind of locks. So leave a comment, and if you like it, or if you didn't understand, go back and watch the other video. And this is my locks. I love them. You can make them as long as you want, and this is my length, and I love it. Thanks for watching. Bye.